Hello, Arizona Realtor Association's Jeffrey Mr. Tech Raskin here. So I just want to let you know that after 24 years of being a realtor and 19 years of teaching my fellow agents, mostly here in Arizona, but across the U.S., about the latest and greatest bleeding edge technology, I would like to come to all of you to go ahead and show your members the latest and greatest tech tools to get out there and to sell lots of real estate for the rest of 2024 and 25. I want to remind you, we have a lot of different courses to give. This means in all ADR CE categories. This means the mandatory code of ethics, of course, that they need by the end of this year, 2024. We have the 2-day ePro course, but more than that, we have some great tech tips that no other school in Arizona gives. This includes ChatGPT for CE credits, YouTube, Reels, Facebook, social media. We have so many different things, including Flex MLS, Transaction Desk. Remember, these are all 1 or 3 hour courses that all of your members need. We would love to go ahead and get in front of you and your members, either by Zoom, in person, yes, we're happy to travel, or by hybrid as well, which means you can get a combination of people online and offline at the same time. So please let me know if you have any questions at all, as I would love to go ahead and come up to your association and once again teach your members about the latest and greatest Realtor technology out there. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Techie out.